name is Mota, and this is my first year here at Dallas College pursuing my bilingual educational career for kindergarten through 6th grade, and will hopefully be finishing it off at UNC Dallas. The grade that I would love to teach would be kindergarten because I feel like I have a better connection and I could better interact more with younger kids rather than older kids. And something that or a part of math that I really like is the curriculum of algebra and calculus. And when I was in high school, I really enjoyed learning the whole curriculum. I felt like it was very easy and easy to grasp, at least for me. But something that I really don't like about math, or a part that I don't like, is word problems, because for me personally, I tend to overthink them more, and I would easily just get them more wrong rather than equations just given to me. So in my opinion, I would prefer equations rather than word problems. And the topic that I will be going over today is the addition of whole and natural numbers. And I chose this topic because I feel like it's the foundation of math that you're gonna use as you grow older, even in high school and college, and also because this is a topic that you learn when you're in kindergarten, which is the audience for this video. Kindergarten is between the age of 5 to 6. So I hope you enjoy seeing me teach this. Today we'll be learning how to add whole and natural numbers with the help of Gus the Plus. So you may ask, what is addition, or who even is Gus the Plus? So addition is when you put things together to find out how many things you have in total, or in this case, finding the total amount of two numbers with the help of other things, such as Gus the Plus. Who is Gus the Plus? Well, Gus the Plus is the plus sign that we use when we are adding. So how do we know when we're going to add? How do we know when we're going to add or even use Gus the Plus? So we're gonna know when to add when we see these keywords, such as add, join, sum, and all, equals, and plus. And when we see these words, we're gonna know we're gonna use our big helper, Gus the Plus, which is this big cross. How does this look like? So here is the word problem that we have here at the bottom that says there are 3 orange fishes and 4 yellow fishes joined. How many fish in all? Can someone tell me any keywords that they see that tell us that we're going to be adding and using our big helper, Gus the Plus? Correct. So we see the word join here and the word in all. So that means we're going to be adding with our big helper, Gus the Plus. So how many orange fishes do we have? We have 3 orange fishes. So we're going to draw 3 orange circles, or 3 orange fishes. So right here we can see we're going to do 1, 2, 3 orange circles or fishes here at the bottom, and then we're going to use our helper, Gus the Plus, to add the numbers together. So here we have our Gus the Plus to add the 3 orange fishes and the 4 yellow fishes. So we're going to draw 4 more yellow fishes, or circles, or whatever you want to draw. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow fishes, which we're going to use our equal sign that indicates that we're combining them together, or adding them together in this case. So now let's count them all together. If you drew the circles or the fishes, so let's count it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many fishes do we have in total? 7 fishes. So here in our box, we're going to write 7. We have the number 7 there, as you can see right there. I don't think you can really see it, so we're going to use the black one. Sorry. So here's the number 7, and this is the numerical form for addition that we see here. 3, the number 3, plus Gus the Plus, 4 equals 7 in total. 7 total fishes that we have here in our tank. But wait, there's more ways we could do this. We have more addition strategies that we have here in the back, which are objects. We could use objects. We can also use tally marks, which we know are tallies, such like sticks. We can use our number line. We can use our fingers that we have here in our body. We can use our 10 strings that we've gone over, and pictures, or we could draw anything we like. So first, we're going to go over objects. Here I have these that we used in class, which are counting chips. So it says here that we're going to have 7 red chips, plus you see right here our big helper, Gus the Plus, which tells us what? That we're going to be adding the numbers together. Plus 4 blue chips equals how many? So we are going to use our chips to find out how many. So we need 7 red chips, so we're going to count them together. So here goes 1, 2, 3, sorry, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus, you see here the sign Gus the Plus, plus our 4 chips. So we're going to need 4 chips. So 1, 2, 3, I don't know where I left the other one, so we're going to quickly add 1, plus 4. So now we're going to count them all. Now we're going to count all our chips together. So we're going to count together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus our big helper Gus the Plus adds them together. 7 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many total chips do we have together? We have 11 total chips when we add 7 red chips plus 4 blue chips. So we're going to write here our number 11. There's our number 11. Now we're gonna go off to tally marks here. So we already learned how to do tally marks, which are tallies, which are basically sticks. So here it tells us that we need to add 4 plus 3, which equals, we still don't know, but we're gonna use our big helpers tally marks to find out. So how many blue tally marks do we need? Can anyone tell me? We need 4, correct? We need 4 blue tally marks. So we're gonna draw how many? 4 tally marks. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus, how many blue tally marks do we need? 3. Correct. We need 3 purple tally marks. So that's 1, 2, 3. And now we add them all together to see how many we have in total. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 total tally marks. So after our equal sign, we're gonna write the number 7. Next off, we have number lines. Can anyone tell me what they think what we're gonna do, or how we're gonna start off? Okay, yes, correct. We're gonna start off with our purple color because it tells us it's 2 plus 4 equals, we don't know, but we do know we're gonna add because we see our helper does the plus. So we're gonna start off with our number 0, which is part of our whole numbers, because in whole numbers we have our 0, correct? And natural numbers it's only 1, and we continue on, but in whole numbers it's since 0. So we're gonna move two times in our number line. So we're gonna start off in 0 until we get to number 2, or count till 2. So we're gonna go 1, 2, so we stop, and then we're gonna add our number 4 with the help of our big helper Gus the plus. So from 2 we're gonna count 4 more times. We're gonna count till 4, okay? So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. We stop. What number do we end up in with? We end up with the number 6, correct? So what number are we gonna write after our equal sign? The number 6, correct. So then we also have where we could use our fingers, which is in our part of our body, which is great. So it says 5 plus 4 equals, we don't know, but we're gonna know very soon with the help of our fingers. So it says we need 5 in this hand, in one of our hands, plus we need 4 in the other hand. So we're gonna raise up 5 fingers. So let's do it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus, that's a plus, so we're gonna add 4 more fingers. So that is 2, 3, 4. So now we're gonna count all of our fingers that are up to know what 5 plus 4 is. So we're gonna count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. Correct. So we're gonna write our number 9 there. And then we also have tens frames that we've done before, that we used before. So we need to know what 6 plus 4 is using our tens frames. And here we're gonna be using our Mighty ID stickers. So how many orange stickers? We need 6 orange stickers. So we're gonna add 1 sticker to each square. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, sorry. Plus, we stopped since we already got to 6. Plus, which means Gus the plus, which Gus the plus helps us add. So we're gonna add 4 red stickers to our tens frame. So here we have our 4 red stickers. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're gonna add all the stickers together to see how many is 6 plus 4. So let's all count together how much it is. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when we have 6 orange stickers and then we add 4 more red stickers, how many do we have in total? We have 10 total stickers. Wow, that's a lot of stickers, right guys? Yeah, so now we're gonna write our 10 after our equal sign. Remember guys, it's after our equal sign, not here or before, it's after our equal sign. And lastly, we could draw pictures, or we could draw whatever we like. We love to draw here. So, well, I personally love stars, so I will be drawing stars, but you guys could draw whatever you guys want. I could draw cars, you could draw princesses, hearts, whatever you guys want. I will be drawing stars. So it says 2 plus 3. The number 2 is with blues, so I'm gonna draw 2 blue stars so we don't get confused. So that's 1 blue star, and then that's 2 blue stars plus Gus the plus. You see Gus the plus, that means we're gonna add how many more stars? 3 more stars. I'm gonna do it in the color red so we don't get confused again. That's why we use different colors, so we wouldn't get confused with our numbers. 1, 2, 3. So how many? My stars are kind of ugly, but it's okay. We love our stars. So how many total stars do we have now? When we combine the 2 blue stars that we drew and the 3 red stars that we drew, let's count together. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 total stars that we drew once we added 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 stars. So we're gonna write the number 5 here. And these are all the strategies we could use when we add numbers together, so we could find the total. What's the total of the 2 numbers we added or combined? And yeah, this is my short video on how to add. And some problems that might happen with teaching this topic is the confusion with operations. Some students might think a plus sign is, addition, might think addition is subtraction, or vice versa. And also, some students have a limited sense of numbers or have trouble continuing on counting, so they might get confused. 7 and jump to 9 and all that, or might struggle to recognize certain numbers. And along with online, there's some struggles also with teaching this topic because there's a lack of manipulatives. So some students really don't have these counting chips or the stickers to be able to do these activities. And also a huge part is parent involvement. Sometimes there's a lack of parent involvement, and a huge part is technical issues, especially for little kids. But some solutions is to use engaging visuals, visual aids, and interactive tools that are within the age frame of the kids, and also sending home simple manipulatives that are seen at home, like beans or little cotton balls or whatever they have in hand, and also offering one-to-one sessions with kids that struggle the most during class or even after class when the student has time. But essentially, I believe that online learning presents a challenge for elementary students, especially younger kids that are in pre-K, kinder, or first grade, since they have a difficulty paying attention. They have a short attention span and really don't know how to use technology as well. So it creates a huge gap in their learning experience and struggles. And along with the students having struggles, also the teachers have struggles because it is hard to interact with them within a screen. So yeah, this is all my video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and thank you.